Let's make easy classic banana bread.
Let's get 3 overripe banana. Peel it. And we smash it using the pork like that. After we're done smashing the banana, we get the bowl and then put the smashed banana. And then after that, we're gonna put our butter. I use 8 tablespoons. Then we're gonna mix it. And then we're gonna put our granulated white sugar. I put there a half cup, and then also half cup of brown sugar. And then we mix it. Just mix. And then 1 egg. I use one large egg. And after that, we get our flour. I use 2.5 cups of flour, and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're gonna mix the wet, the dry, the flour. Then we're gonna mix it into our wet mixture. And then we're just gonna mix it all together. That will kind of look like this. Just mix well. And then we're gonna put it in our baking